Transcon 769, wind 340 at 10, runway 27, clear for takeoff. Alaska 1071, number tower, runway 27, line up the way traffic on a 7-mile final.
27, line up way, Alaska 1071.
Alaska 1071, wind 340 at 10, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
27, clear for takeoff, Alaska 1071.
1071, oh shit. 1071, sorry, I gotta exit here. Are you able to hold short, or you pass the hold short line?
We're already past the whole trip bar.
Okay, no problem. I just need you to cross the runway all the way onto Charlie. No delay, please.
No delay across the runway, Alaska 1071.
Southwest 2617, I'm sorry, I got to send you around. Go around, Southwest 2617, fly heading 275, maintain your current altitude.
So we're going to maintain our current altitude and heading straight ahead for now, heading 275. We'll just set the 2300 for altitude, that was 2617, going around.
Southwest 2617, sorry about that. Fly heading 275, maintain your present altitude, and contact SoCal, 119.6, please.
All right, maintaining 119.6, we're going to maintain current heading and altitude, Southwest 2617. See you soon.
Thank you.
Our 769 boarding on the runway. We're going to evacuate.
No problem. Okay, we called the trucks. They're on their way, and whatever you need to do.
Zebra, up, Limburg, ground.
Ground, rescue want to come responding. Request clearance on... Oh. Ground, confirming 27 is shut down.
Rescue 1A from runway 27 is at your control. Proceed as requested with emergency aircraft.
Rescue want to come responding on charge up. Or on 27.
And Southwest 2786, is there traffic on the runway?
I'm sorry, who was that?
We're holding short, we just wondering if there's traffic on the runway.
Yeah, I'm sorry, his nose gear went down. He's on the runway, so we're shut down.
Tower Alaska 1091, is there somewhere we can go shut down?
Yeah, I'm sorry, go ahead. Pull forward, all the way there, and then right turn hotel, and then right on Juliet.
Right turn hotel, right on Juliet for Alaska 1071.
Alaska 1071, yeah, go ahead, shut him down, and change to ground, and he'll keep you advised.
Alright, sounds good, thanks. We'll talk to you, hopefully.
Sorry about that, thanks.
Oh, no worries at all, thanks for it.
Thank you.
Tower Southwest 3366.
Yeah, Southwest 3366, stand by. Okay, yeah, so let's see, Southwest 2786.
I've already called.
Yeah, go ahead. You know what? If you want to shut them down, you can. I would recommend that.
Absolutely.
Okay, and Southwest 3366, also for you, shut them down. We'll keep you advised.
Copy that, Southwest 3366.
Limburg ground, United 1871, 5 prior to San Francisco.
At 1871, we just had a nose gear collapse on the runway, unknown delay. We will work it when we know more.
Roger, thanks.
Central Coordination, Gulf Colonel for 2987, airport is closed at this time due to aircraft incident on the runway.
Information Golf is current 134010, altimeter 2987, airport is now closed.
So, Ms. was there a time on the update or no?
And we don't know. He's on the runway and his nose gear collapsed, so I don't know.
Okay.
Ground last 1071.
1071 and ground.
Yeah, we're going to shut down both engines if that's okay. As soon as you have an idea how long it might be, if you could let us know, we'll need 5-6 minutes before we can leave.
Absolutely, yeah. We're not even sure if they have equipment to take that aircraft off the runway. We're expecting a couple hours, so definitely shut down. And as we know more, we will pass that information along so you can coordinate with company.
Okay. Is there egress for us to get back to our gate too if we elect to do so?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay, thanks.
And guys, that was 2786. So we're holding short number 1. We're with you. Both engines shut down right now.
So 2786, Roger, just let me know what you guys want to do. We're taking a WAG up here that it might be at least a few hours, but definitely let me know what your company wants you to do. If we have more information, we'll pass it along.
Same for Southwest 3366.
No problem. You guys are totally fine where you're at. We can get you guys back to the gates. If your company wants you guys to head back, just let me know. We'll get you going as soon as we can.
Over that.
Ground Cargo South 139, information request, push back and start up.
And left calling ground, I'm sorry, I was coordinating with ramp tower, say again.
Cargo South 129 heavy.
South 129 heavy, lumber ground.
Yes, request push back and start up.
I would not start up. We have a aircraft incident on the runway, nose gear collapse. We don't know how long it's going to be. We'd expect a few hours, but nobody's going anywhere.
Okay, thank you. Ready.
Ground Zebra 1, I just want to confirm taxiway Bravo is closed.
Zebra 1, a firm taxiway Bravo is closed. We are not moving anyone. Everyone on the east side of the airport are shut down. I will coordinate with you if their company wants them to go back to the gate.
Zebra 1 copies, thanks.
And Zebra 1, any estimates that we could give these people? We've been telling everyone a few hours at least, but do you have any decent estimate?
Negative at the moment. I'll give you a call right back, though.
Sounds good. We appreciate it.
And ground, Cargo South 129.
So South 129, lumber ground.
Oh, yeah, you said it was going to be about an hour or two, correct?
At least. The airport's going to call back soon with an estimate on when they could get the aircraft move and runway inspection completed, but at this time, that's just a WAG.
Roger that. We'll get the stairs pulled back up then. Thank you so much.
No problem.
All right.
That was 2786. We are ready to taxi. We just need to ask company for the gate.
Roger, let me know what the gate, and I will coordinate with the airport to see if they will open Bravo up to get you back to your gate.
2786, gate 5.
Gate 5, Roger.
Alaska 1071, we would also like to head back that direction if we could here in a little bit.
Alaska 1071, Roger, let me know what gate company gives you.
Yeah, we're probably going back to 30.
Roger.